President-elect Biden is proposing what will be a $2,000 payment to individuals. Is that $1,400 in addition to the $600 that just went out, bringing it to a total of $2,000, or is it a new $2,000 on top of the $600?
It is the former, $14,000 add in the $600, and you don't have to be an economist to do that arithmetic. That gets you to $2,000. If I could say a couple of words about the plan, Lawrence, it's been a long day, but I'm really glad to be ending it with you because you and I have been talking about this sort of thing for a long time. This is just such a critically important moment to aggressively and efficiently attack the dual challenges that have plagued this country for far too long. And of course, I'm talking about the pandemic and the economic crisis that it has engendered. Now, this plan, this American Rescue Plan that the president-elect talked about tonight, it can control the virus, produce and distribute adequate amounts of the vaccine, open up our schools, provide relief from hunger and homelessness, get help to struggling businesses, and cut child poverty in half. And that's just the first step the president-elect talked about tonight, the rescue step. It sets up a later package to ensure a racially inclusive, equitable, and environmentally sustainable recovery. So this is the first step of a two-step strategy.
Yeah, I mean, one of the things that is not always clear to people in packages like this is that the spending, other than the direct spending into people's accounts, which is so important, the spending is mostly, in effect, a jobs program. This vaccine has to be delivered by people who weren't in the business of delivering vaccine 6 months ago, 2 months ago. And so that's part of what I'm seeing in this package.
Yeah, I think that's really important. I think at the core of the message here is, yes, controlling the virus, distributing the vaccine, reopening our schools, providing first responders, educators, the resources they need to get the work done. But all of those are jobs. And I've been working for Joe Biden for a long time, and great opportunities in the labor market for people who are far too often left out of economic recoveries is at the core of his and the vice president-elect's aspirations here. I mean, by the way, a good example of what you're talking about is a part of the plan to mobilize a public health jobs program to support the response to control the vaccine and distribute, to control the virus and distribute the vaccine. It's a proposal that would fund 100,000 public health workers that nearly triples the country's community health roles that are already in place but are, starved for funds. And that's a critical linchpin in getting this work completed.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.